iFlip Invest app. The pros, the cons. Most people try to beat the market with guesswork. iFlip takes a different route, using artificial intelligence to make smart trading decisions automatically. Sounds futuristic, right? But does it actually work? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros: automation. iFlip's biggest selling point is its iEngine, which analyzes market trends and automatically flips between stocks, ETFs, and cash positions to minimize losses and capture gains. It's like having a trading assistant that never sleeps. Second, simplicity. You don't need to understand technical charts or financial jargon. The app manages your portfolio through a set of algorithmic strategies you can choose from, all tailored to different risk levels. Third, transparency. You can see every move the eye makes, including historical performance and current positions. Now for the cons. While automation helps reduce emotional mistakes, it also means you give up some control. The eye's logic is proprietary, so you can't see exactly how trades are decided. Another con: it may not outperform the market every year. Like any strategy, it depends on conditions, and in flat or fast-moving markets, returns may lag behind manual traders. The surprising truth? iFlip isn't a magic money machine, it's a disciplined system designed to take the stress out of investing. In short, the pros: automation, ease of use, and data-driven management make iFlip great for hands-off investors. But if you like full control or quick speculative trades, it might feel restrictive.